Hello CMS students, welcome to my channel. If new here, please like, share, subscribe. So we'll continue the tax rebate. So how to calculate tax rebate under section 87A. So some key points here. So applicable to resident individual, conditions to be satisfied does not exceed 5 lakhs. So does not exceed 5 lakhs. So quantum rebate under from the following: 100% tax liability on computed above, or 12,500 rupees will be added. Is a condition. Sorry, he must be resident. So first condition, must be resident. Second condition, total income of the assessee does not exceed 5 lakhs. Does not exceed. So does not exceed 5 lakhs. So quantum rebate is lower. Quantum rebate is lower. So lower, 100% tax liability computed above. So 12,500. So this is the rebate under section 87. How to compute it? So let's some example here. Computed rebate under section 87A in the following cases. So example, let's find out the example here. Computed the rebate under section 87A in the following cases. Particulars: case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4 and case 5 and case 6. Assessee individuals. Case 2, assessee individual, senior citizen, individual HUF. Resident status, total income, tax liability, tax on above, rebate tax 87A reason and tax after rebate. So we will calculate how to rebate. So first case, assessee individual, case 1. So residential strategy, he must be resident individual applicable. So individual applicable. So his total income is 4,90,000. So we need individual basic exemption is 2,50,000 nil. So 2,50,000. So 4 lakhs. So 4,90,000 minus. So 4,90,000, 2,50,000 nil. First 2,50,000 nil. So how much? 4,90,000. So 4,90,000 minus 2,50,000, that is equal to 2,40,000. We got 2,40,000, and this one 2,40,000 we calculated. So 2,40,000 into 5%. So 5%, how much into 5%? That is equal to 12,000. So 12,000 here it is. So whichever is lower, 12,500. So whichever is lower, the individual Republica, whichever is lower. So 12,000 whichever is lower. So here it is. Remember it, whichever is lower. So third condition. So third conditions here, whichever is 12,000. So rebate under section is 100% computed, but 12,500. So whichever is, that's called whichever is lower, 12,000 we will add it. So reason nil అయిపోయింది. First case will be finished. So resident, you must be resident individual, residential status resident, and total income is 4,90,000. We calculate tax rates in the above class. We discussed CD here. 4,90,000 equals to 12,000 divided by, so for 2,50,000 we calculated as per the tax rates concepts. So if you practice well, you can also understand. Next, second case. So the individual resident is final income, his total income is 5 lakhs. Total income is 5,12,000. So we need to calculate. So 2,50,000 nil. Next to 2,50,000, 5%, that is 12,000. So 12,000. So 5 out of. So 5,12,000. Second case we taken here, 5,12,000 minus 2,50,000 nil. Remaining how much? 5,12,000 minus 2,50,000, that is equal to 2,60,000. That is equal to 2,62,500. So first this one 2,50,000 is, next 2,50,000 we calculated, that is 12,000. So 12,000 we got 20%. So 12,000 into 20%, that is equal to 14,500. So 2,50,000 into 5%, 12,000. that is equal to 12,500. So 2,50,000 nil. Next 2,50,000, next 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, that is 12,500. Next remaining balance is 5 lakhs 12,000 minus 12,000. So 12,000 out of here it is, we calculate 12,000 into 20%. So that is equal to 2,400. That is to 14,500 will calculate it. So here it is, condition number, he reached above, exceed does not exceed 5 lakhs, so rebate will be considered as a 4 nil. So we subtract nil. So total income exceed 5 lakhs, so we no need to calculate rebate under section 87A. So as per the 87A, as per the 87A is concerned, so who is total income of assessee does not exceed 5 lakhs. So does not exceed 5 lakhs here. So we need not to calculate rebate under this individual resident India. So that's it. So that is the reason we calculate tax on above directly. So remember, tax on above. So directly we tax after rebate, we calculate 14,900. So whichever is, because he reached he individual reached his above limit 5 lakhs, so we calculated directly on tax. No need to tax rebate calculated here. In case of does not exceed 5 lakhs. In case of individual resident India over 5 lakhs. This is the condition to be satisfied. So hope you understand this case 2. We need to senior citizen, case 3, senior citizen. It must be 4,25,000. So 4,25,000 we need to calculate how much senior citizen. First 3 lakhs, remaining 1,12,000, remaining 1,25,000. So 1,25,000 into 5%, that is equal to 6,250. So 6,000 out of 1,25,000 into 25%. That is he is a senior citizen, that's why I calculated 5%. 3 lakhs exemption. So 3 lakhs exemption, we remaining 4,25,000 out of 4,25,000. We got 1,25,000. That is 5%. 1,12,500. 1,25,000. That is into 5%. That is 6,250 is the tax. So whichever is lower as per the condition of the rebate. So 6,250 will be considered as a rebate. So we'll find the tax after rebate is nil, because whichever is no tax rebate 6,000 nil. Next here it is senior citizen, he exempted 5 lakhs total income, so 5,18,000 tax liability. So with 3 lakhs, so 3 lakhs remaining to 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 into 5%, 2,40,000 into 5%, that is equal to 12,000 into 80%, that is equal to 18,000. So nearly total, he also see total income exceed 5 lakhs, that is rupees 18,000. So in case of residential individual, non-resident 2,50,000. So 2,60,000 remaining. To remaining 10,000 out of 5%, that is equal to 500. Nil associate is a non-resident, so you need to calculate no rebate. He must be resident in individual. Only those those candidates we category as a rebate. So HUF resident. So HUF resident. So residents are resident 2,65,000 remaining 750 15,000. So 15,000 also 5% 750. So assess is not an individual, so we will calculate 750. So hopefully this example will clear of the rebate. So like this we calculated rebate under section 87. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel for more tax related topics with easily understand. You must understand the English words we will easily. On the note, this video class will be closed. So thanks for watching. End of the conclusion. Thanks for watching.